Food is not rational. Food is life. Food is culture, custom, tradition, craving, identity, and recognition. Hello friends, this is Dr. Chef Varinder Singh Rana, and I am happy to share that Kerala Tourism Organization is hosting Kerala Cuisine Contest 2020-2021, and this will be held online, and this time this is international online cooking competition. You have to prepare a dish which will be native of Kerala, and you have to use cultural props along with the dish to grace its appealing. You have to just cook, shoot the video and upload on Kerala tourism websites. The top 10 winners will get chance to come to visit Kerala along with their family members. So all the best. For details visit Kerala tourism website. Thank you.